Learners of English, this is M. Rahman and you are attending Oracy classes of English language. We welcome you to our new lecture in which we have a topic main verbs. And in these main verbs, we are not just going to learn the first form, second form and third form. Today we are going to go through their forms, pronunciation and differences in meaning. Now let's begin with the word wind. Wind, W-I-N-D. Now the question arises, how we should give the sound to this word. It can also be pronounced as wind, and wine also is also there. Now if we speak as wind, you can see here IPA symbol. IPA symbol shows that it is pronounced as wind. Okay, wind. Whenever we speak wind, it is used as noun, and you understand what is noun. Wind means air current, and then this word wind can also work as verb. It will also be pronounced as wind, and when it is verb, it gives the meaning smell. And sometimes a person passes by you and the whiff from him is of very foul smell, and you say, oh shit. Now you can say whiff. Whiff means a light gust of wind air, and not only gust but to smell that gust. Suppose I can say I winded a very foul smell. I winded a very nice fragrance of perfume when my friend passed by. Now in this way we can say there are two meanings of the word W-I-N-D, wind. When we pronounce it as wind, if it is a noun, we can say it is a air current. Now if we take it as a verb, wind, then it means to smell the whiff. Okay, I have already explained what the whiff means. Now to take a short light gust of air, if it is a verb, you can say wind, winded. And the code of its pronunciation, the key of its pronunciation is written here. It is International Phonetics Alphabet, and these are the symbols of writing pronunciation. You will have to go through phonetics how to write them, and we will cover it in our next lectures. This is wind, and whenever we write this I and L type symbol, it is spoken quickly, wind. And winded, it means wind. The pronunciation you can use in simple form, wind and did. It's winded and winded. Now wind means air if it is noun, and winded means to take a whiff, to smell a whiff. Now let's see the second pronunciation of the same spelling, W-I-N-D. We will pronounce it now wind. It was wind. Now the same word is going to be spoken, is going to be given a sound, wound. Wind. Wind means to wrap. Wind means to roll. Now it is a verb. If it is wind, we give a stress to why. Then we give a IPA like this. W-A, this symbol, and N-D. It is Y and it is weak. It is Y and it is weak. Wind, and it is Y, wind. If it is wind, wind means to roll or to wrap or to cover. It would be in second form, wound and wound. Wind, wound, wound. It was wind, winded, winded. It is wound. IPA symbol is W-A, this symbol, and N-D. And the same pronunciation is there, wound. Now if we change the pronunciation, meaning change simply. Now this word that is the second form of wind is wound, and this wound is written here, you can see, and this is the first form of some other meaning. This W-O-U-N-D will be pronounced as wound. Now the spellings, you can say spellings are same. This is the second form of wind, that is wound, and this is not wound, this is wound. It is wound in the sense of some injury. It may be a noun, it may be a verb. The pronunciation will remain the same. If it is wound as a verb, the pronunciation according to IPA will be like this. We use this symbol when we give stress on our sound, just like oo, wound, oo. When we stress o, I mean we write this double o, you write this symbol. It means oo, wound, and the pronunciation of the second verb will be wounded, wounded. And you can show in IPA wound, wounded, wounded. If we write this pronunciation other than IPA, we can write like this: wound, wounded, wounded. Now let's revise quickly. W-I-N-D, wind. Wind, if we take it as noun, it means air current. Wind means to smell a whiff, winded, winded. And if we pronounce it as a wine, it will be in second form wound, wound. But this wound is taken here as a first form and will be pronounced as wound in form of to get injured, and the pronunciation of the second form will be wounded, wounded. This is its IPA symbol of pronunciation, and simply you can write like this. You have enjoyed and understood this lecture very well. If you like our lecture, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Oracy Classes of English Language, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get all the notifications time to time. And students, please like, share and comment. Keep on watching Oracy Classes of English Language. Thanks for being with us. Thanks a lot.